I'm going to show you some chair yoga exercises. Are you ready? Our first exercise is our deep breathing. Now when we do our deep breathing, we want to focus on our inhale for 3 seconds. And our exhale should be double that for 6 seconds. And we're breathing in through our nose and out through our nose. So we're going to do this for 5 cycles. And you can join me when you're ready. So we're going to breathe in and out. Again, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And our last one, breathe in and out. Awesome. So now we want to make sure we continue to breathe when we're doing our other poses, but that was just a warm-up to get our lungs moving. So now we're going to do some head rolls, and we're going to repeat 3 times in each direction. So we're going to start by bringing our chin down to our chest, and we're going to roll our head to the right, and bring it all the way around, and down. We're going to do that 2 more times towards the right. Make sure you're breathing. And again. Awesome. Once you finish your 3rd side on your right, we're going to rotate to the left. So again, chin down and rotate towards the left. Again to the left. And last time. Nice job. Feels a little looser. We're going to move our weight down, and we're going to be doing some shoulder rolls. So these are just a nice way to shrug out our shoulders a little bit. So we're going to bring them up towards our ears and down. So for this one, we're going to inhale when we bring our shoulders up. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to exhale for 6 seconds when we bring them down. Nice. Do that again. Breathe them up for 3. And down for 6. Again. Bring them up for 3. And down for 6. Good. 2 more times. Up for 3. And down for 6. Wonderful. Okay, so now that we're a little bit looser towards our upper body, we're going to be doing some cat-cow poses. So for this one, we're going to inhale and arch your spine upwards. So you're going to curve your back as you inhale, and then you're going to fold your back over and round your back like a cat, and hold that for 6. So we're going to do that again. So breathe in for 3. And then fold and roll for 6. Awesome. Keep going. Another 3. And 6. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. And 6. Fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last time, bring your shoulders up. Great, and round your back. Wonderful job. Hopefully you feel that in your abdominals a little bit. So now we're going to do some trunk twists. And for this, we're going to raise our arms up, and then we're going to twist to each side. So we're going to twist to the right, and if you're in a chair, you can make sure to press both of your hands down and look towards the back of the room. So we really want to get a stretch in the neck as well. And then we're going to come over and do the same thing on the left. So we're going to do 3 times on each side. Okay, so we're going to do hands up. Get that nice extension, and we're going to twist to the right. Good. Hands up. Inhale for 3. And to the left, exhale for 6. Great. Hands up. Inhale. And down. Exhale for 6. Again, inhale for 3. And exhale for 6. One more time on each side. Arms up. And down. Arms up. And arms down. Come over. You can bring your palms forward to your chest. Thank you for practicing with us today for our first session of chair yoga for cardiopulmonary conditions. Next week, we are going to add on to some of these exercises